Hello everyone, today I'm going to be explaining fair value gap. As you can see guys, we have here a bullish fair value gap and we have here bearish fair value gap. I'm going to be starting with the bearish fair value gap, and how you can identify the fair value gap in the chart is basically if we find there's like three candles in between them, you'll find there's a gap in here like this wick and this wick. As you can see, there's like a gap in here, and this is like the fair value gap. And in the opposite side, you're gonna find that we have bullish fair value gap. And it's exactly the same. This here, the bullish value gap. But there's a thing. If you find that the wick is like this, both wicks are like this, for example, as you can see, there's like no gap. And if there's no gap, that means there's no fair value gap. So it's not always you're gonna be finding a fair value gap. Sometimes you will find it, sometimes you will not find it. And pretty much that's it for the explanation. How it usually works, for example, this fair value gap, let's say that we have a bullish fair value gap, you're gonna find that the market will be like going up and then you're gonna start going down. So if the market start going down, what's gonna be usually happening? Either the market's gonna be like touching the fair value gap and going all the way back, or going deep in the fair value gap and then go back up. So this, like this, you know that the fair value gap is valid and the market is still gonna go up higher. But if you find that there's like a whole candle appeared in here and closed and everything, you have a very high chance that the market will start dropping down. And the same goes for the bearish case. For the bearish case, we'll just draw the fair value gap again. In this case, you find that the market will go down, then start going up. Either it's like touch the fair value gap and start going back down, or either it goes all the way in here, but still going down as well. But if the market like go above this fair value gap, and that means the fair value gap is not valid anymore. Like you have a whole candle closed up the fair value gap. So there's like a very high chance that the markets are gonna go up higher, especially if we see that there's a breakout structure. Like in here, you find, for example, here it was like high, the market is going like this, and then the candles start going up in here and close in here. You know that the market is gonna go up higher than this.